In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best magnetic drill machines available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the magnetic drill machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the magnetic drill machines mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, VEVOR 1300W/1400W Electric Magnetic Drill Press. The VEVOR 1300W/1400W Electric Magnetic Drill Press is designed for heavy-duty drilling tasks. Its powerful copper motor ensures unstoppable performance, making it suitable for industrial fabrication and home improvement projects. With a maximum boring diameter of 40 mm and coring depth of 50 mm, this drill provides precision and efficiency. A built-in scale allows accurate hole positioning, enhancing user convenience. Its versatility and robust power make it perfect for tackling the toughest jobs. At a discounted price of $192.60, 40% off, this tool delivers exceptional value for professional and DIY users alike. Number 4, AOCKE AX23/23RE Magnetic Drill. The AOCKE AX23/23RE Magnetic Drill is a compact and portable powerhouse, ideal for industrial drilling needs. With its 1500W motor, it offers industrial-grade performance and durability. The compact design allows for easy portability without compromising power, making it perfect for on-site tasks. Precision drilling is ensured with professional-grade tools and a high-quality construction built to last. Whether you're in manufacturing or engineering, this drill provides reliable, high-performance drilling at a price of $176.49, delivering excellent value. Number 3, 1550W Mag Drill, Industrial Steel Drilling Machine. The 1550W Mag Drill is tailored for commercial manufacturing, offering variable speed regulation for versatile applications. Its universal collet supports diverse drilling needs, while the 220V power supply ensures consistent and reliable performance. Forward and reverse directional drilling capabilities enhance precision and control, making it perfect for industrial steelwork. Durable and efficient, this machine is an excellent choice for professionals. At a discounted price of $168.99, 27% off, it delivers premium performance at an affordable cost. Number 2, Magnetic Drill, Versatile Powerful 220V Tool. This magnetic drill is ideal for renovation teams and DIY enthusiasts, boasting a multifunctional design for bench, core, and portable drilling. Its 800W motor provides reliable power, while the strong 9000N suction cup ensures secure and stable drilling. With a maximum drilling diameter of 13 mm, it is versatile enough to handle various projects. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, this tool is a must-have for any workshop or job site. Priced at $161.50, 15% off, it combines affordability with exceptional performance. Number 1, Multifunctional Magnetic Drill Electric Mag Drill Machine. The multifunctional magnetic drill is the ultimate tool for engineering steel structures and other heavy-duty tasks. Designed for professionals, it offers exceptional performance with a maximum boring diameter to handle challenging projects. Durable and reliable, it is perfect for structural engineering and fabrication tasks. Priced at $286.13, 10% off, this drill combines quality and functionality, making it an essential tool for serious professionals.